Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for NEET and JEE preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of chemistry, which is drugs and pharmaceuticals, antibiotics, analgesics and antiseptics. The field of drugs and pharmaceuticals plays a crucial role in healthcare, helping to treat and prevent diseases. The discovery and development of medicines have transformed human life, increasing life expectancy and improving quality of life. Among the vast range of pharmaceutical compounds, three major categories are antibiotics, analgesics, and antiseptics. Understanding their functions, mechanisms, and significance is essential for anyone studying chemistry and medicine. Antibiotics are one of the most important discoveries in medical science. These drugs are used to combat bacterial infections by either killing bacteria or inhibiting their growth. Before antibiotics, bacterial infections like pneumonia, tuberculosis, and even minor wounds could become life-threatening. The introduction of antibiotics revolutionized medicine, making it possible to treat diseases that were once fatal. Antibiotics work by targeting specific structures or functions within bacterial cells. Some interfere with bacterial cell wall synthesis, weakening the bacteria and causing their destruction. Others inhibit protein synthesis or DNA replication, preventing bacteria from multiplying. However, antibiotics do not affect viruses, making them ineffective against diseases like the common cold or flu. Overuse and misuse of antibiotics have led to the rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which poses a serious threat to public health. To combat resistance, it is important to use antibiotics only when prescribed by a doctor and to complete the full course of treatment. Analgesics are drugs that relieve pain without causing loss of consciousness. Pain can be caused by injury, inflammation, or underlying medical conditions, and analgesics help in managing discomfort. There are two main types of analgesics, non-narcotic and narcotic. Non-narcotic analgesics are commonly used to reduce mild to moderate pain and inflammation. They work by inhibiting certain chemicals in the body that cause pain and fever. These drugs are widely used and available over the counter for conditions like headaches, muscle pain, and fever. On the other hand, narcotic analgesics are used for severe pain relief, such as after surgeries or for chronic pain conditions. These drugs act on the central nervous system, altering the way pain signals are processed in the brain. However, narcotic analgesics have a high potential for addiction and must be used with caution under medical supervision. The development of safer pain relief medications remains an active area of pharmaceutical research. Antiseptics are chemical substances used to prevent infection by inhibiting the growth of microorganisms on living tissues. They are commonly applied to wounds, cuts, and surgical sites to reduce the risk of infections. Antiseptics work by disrupting the structure or function of microbial cells, making them unable to survive. Unlike antibiotics, which work inside the body, antiseptics are applied externally. They are commonly found in hospitals, households, and public places for maintaining hygiene. The use of antiseptics has significantly reduced the risk of infections, especially in surgical procedures and wound care. Some antiseptics are also used in mouthwashes, hand sanitizers, and disinfectants to maintain cleanliness and prevent the spread of diseases. The pharmaceutical industry continuously researches and develops new drugs to address emerging diseases and improve the effectiveness of existing treatments. Advances in drug discovery have led to targeted therapies that provide precise treatment for specific diseases while minimizing side effects. The role of chemistry in pharmaceuticals is not limited to drug synthesis but extends to drug formulation, ensuring that medicines are delivered to the body in the most effective manner. The study of drug interactions, stability, and bioavailability ensures that medications remain safe and effective for human consumption. Despite the tremendous benefits of drugs and pharmaceuticals, their misuse can lead to serious health consequences. The indiscriminate use of antibiotics has contributed to the rise of resistant bacterial strains, making infections harder to treat. Overuse of analgesics can lead to liver or kidney damage, while improper use of antiseptics may cause skin irritation or loss of beneficial microbes. it is essential to follow medical prescriptions, avoid self-medication, and use pharmaceuticals responsibly to maximize their benefits while minimizing risks. The regulation and quality control of pharmaceutical products are critical to ensuring public health and safety. Governments and healthcare organizations enforce strict guidelines for the production, distribution, and sale of medicines to prevent counterfeit drugs and ensure that only safe and effective medications reach consumers. Research in pharmacology continues to explore new ways to enhance drug efficacy, reduce side effects, and develop alternative therapies using natural compounds and biotechnology. The development of drugs and pharmaceuticals involves extensive research, testing, and clinical trials to ensure safety and effectiveness. Drug discovery begins with identifying potential compounds that may have therapeutic effects. These compounds undergo laboratory testing and animal studies before being tested in human clinical trials. The process of drug development is lengthy and expensive, often taking years before a new drug reaches the market. Scientists and pharmaceutical companies continuously work on improving existing drugs and discovering new ones to combat emerging diseases. The study of drugs and pharmaceuticals is an essential part of chemistry and medicine. With advancements in research, new and improved medications continue to be developed to address various health challenges. From fighting infections to relieving pain and preventing disease, antibiotics, analgesics, and antiseptics play a vital role in modern healthcare. As science progresses, the goal remains to develop safer, more effective, and accessible medications for the benefit of humanity. Thank you. We hope this video has helped you gain a clearer understanding of hydrogen and its compounds, especially the fascinating role of heavy water and isotopes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AskPrep for more in-depth chemistry lessons. Keep studying, stay curious, and good luck with your exams.